Hello. So it's actually Wednesday, not Tuesday, because I didn't make my video yesterday. But this would be the beginning of week 6. And it was a rough week. I've been having a lot of issues with protein. I didn't really lose a lot of weight. I lost 3.5 pounds this week. But then I read something. I read this quote. Let me see if I can find it here quickly. The quote says, "When everything seems to be going against you, just remember, the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it." So when the airplane takes off against the wind, it gives it lift and gets it in the air. So I thought about that and thought, well, I guess if things aren't going bad sometimes, then you don't learn anything and can't make changes and don't grow from it. So I decided to see what I could do. So I talked to Brandon. We talked a lot about protein this week and what to do about that. Then I made some calls to my nutritionist, and I reached out to Dusty, and we talked about protein. And part of the problem, I think, was that the protein shakes and things that I was using, that I used before surgery, weren't working now. I couldn't get them down. They weren't settling in my stomach, so I just wasn't drinking the way I should. So my protein level's been really low. I've been really tired. So I called the nutritionist, and we talked about moving to a new protein, a protein powder that's unflavored, and I got it, and I tried it, and it is unflavored. You know there's something there, but you can't really taste anything. So for 2 days now, I met my protein goals, and I met my calorie goals, and I met my everything goals. I felt a lot better when I went to the gym on Tuesday. We changed our exercise routine a little bit. I actually had talked to Brandon and Hunter about joining Planet Fitness, and so that I could supplement my days at Hybrid Fitness with a couple more days where I could, just to get out of the house, I could walk, I could do whatever I was going to do there. Plus, they have amazing massage tables. So I did that. I joined that to supplement things. I'm a little concerned that the groups at Hybrid Fitness, I've watched a lot of the videos of them doing them, and there's a lot of things that I just don't think that I can do right now in those. So I thought that maybe adding a few more days someplace else will build me up over the next 6 weeks so that I will be able to do those things when this 12-week program is over. So that was really good. So I did that, and I got the new protein, and I started drinking that, and I met my protein goals. And then when I met with Brandon on Tuesday, we changed my workout schedule a little bit into, we did the same amount of stuff, but instead we used to do it in 3 blocks, 3 times each of everything. And instead we increased the blocks, so we only did 2 of them, but did more in each one. And that seemed to work really well. And then we went for a walk, and for the first time ever, my little Apple Watch here told me that I actually met my exercise goal on Tuesday twice. I actually doubled it on Tuesday. So that was pretty impressive. It doesn't always like to pick up things when you're doing them, but this time it actually did. It said I doubled them. Not only did I double that, but I also met and exceeded my burning my calories, my goal for calories. I have a goal of burning 1,200 calories a day, and I exceeded that as well that day. So that's really, really good. And so I'm hoping that changing the routine and going to the gym, the other gym will help, build me up a little bit more and do a little bit more. I don't like going to the gym alone, but on Planet Fitness, you can bring someone with you and it's free. So I, bribe someone else to go with me. So overall, it was a bad week until the end of the week. On Sunday and Monday is when I started thinking. I read that quote on Sunday actually, and that's when I started thinking about, well, what you got to change this. You got to fix this problem. So what do we do to fix it? So I changed what was going on and took some action, took some steps, and Tuesday was a great day. It's been good ever since. I've been doing well. So currently I just had down 3.6 pounds this week. I'm down 52.6 pounds since I had surgery, which would have been 5 weeks ago. I'm down 57.6 pounds since I started with Planet Fitness. Since I started with Hybrid Fitness. And I'm down 113.6 pounds since September when I first started dieting. So that's good. Got some new shoes. That's good. And looking forward to another great week. I'll see you soon.